should be occupied twice and no description on the passenger.
Shut it off! Shut the fucking thing off or die! Shut it off! DBA?
Okay, the other vehicle boxed in, then it drove up on the grass, took off the highway to speed and struck Officer Kehoss' cruiser. Heading on South Main towards Waterbury. Towards Robbery.
Crash, crash, crash on the on-ramp. Fail, fail. You better fucking stop! You better fucking stop! On the ground! On the ground!
Oh shit! I'm sorry!
Taser, 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 one down. On your stomach! On your fucking stomach now! On your fucking stomach now!
You're okay?
On your fucking stomach! How many fucking times did I tell you?
I'm done. I'm done, sir. I'm done.
Put your fucking hands behind your back now!
Sorry. I'm sorry.
John, you still got one in the car. I got this guy taken care of.
Officer, I'm sorry. I didn't know what the fuck happened.
Shut the fuck up!
Sorry.
Put your fucking hands.
Okay.
You're getting another ride. You're getting another fucking taser and put your hands on your back.
I got you. Sorry, sir. I didn't know what happened.
Put your. All right, you get another fucking ride.
No, please.
Put your fucking hand behind your fucking back now.
Please don't do that no more.
Then stop fucking complying, asshole.
Get behind my back.
Shut the fuck up.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Sorry.
You're a fucking idiot. You know that?
No.
You turned a larceny into a felony.
I didn't know what happened.
Shut the fuck up.
Okay. Sorry, okay? I said I'm sorry.
Shut up. Stop talking.
Sorry, okay, officer? I said I'm sorry.
You can stop talking.
Fuck you. I'm sorry, officer. I was nervous. And I didn't
You
know
can shut up now.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Man, I'm good. Morning cutscene.
I'm sorry, okay? I promise you. I said I'm sorry and I mean it. Okay, officer? Please don't take them here again.
Then you gotta listen, bro.
Okay, I'm sorry though.
You don't listen, you get fucking zapped.
I know. I'm sincerely sorry though. Okay, officer? You heard me?
You don't be sorry to me, sorry to your fucking self.
I know.
Vital, I need you in the wood line to your left.
Okay, officer. I think I pissed on myself.
Yeah, you probably did.
I'm sorry, okay, officer?
Tony! All right, stand up.
I got you, sir.
Get up.
Use your legs. Stand up.
You fucking try hard.
Tasing 3 times. Get it.
Shut up.
Next time don't run. You can see.
Where do you want him? Doesn't matter. Just throw him in the car for now. Hey, close the on-ramp down. We're closing everything down.
I know you did. I heard you.